So guys,
Pwede
bumili na ako.
pwede ba sa
$23.
lagi sa gamot?
Yeah. Okay guys, so nakauwi na kami galing Costco. So look, titikman na natin kung anong lasa nitong pistachio spread. Para daw tong Dubai chocolate filling. So, ang tararan, naku, parang malabnaw. Pero, titikman natin. So, mayroon ako ditong croissant.
Baby Odin. What's the babies? Baby Odin? Baby Cavallo? Why is Big Odin so cute, bro? Hold on. I gotta catch a brain rot. Baby Gorilla, Waterman Drilla. What the heck? It's not working. Is it forcing me to catch this over here? I think so. Hold on. Common Baby Gorilla. Alright, Dad, you're punished. You're not punished. Why do you look like a ghost? There's a baby little Oh, are they all babies? Wait, why are they all babies? Guaranteed secret. The guaranteed secret to this game? Holy.
How is it?
Baby dome? It's not even a dome. What is a baby dome?
Can I try it?
So you lasso it here.
Masarap
You
pala
bring
siya
it
eh.
over here. You collect it, and I receive
Parang Dubai nga.
Masarap. Go to your playground and click snack. There's honey. Oh, and then you grow.
Parang Dubai.
Buy a
Dubai
donut
chocolate.
treat. Feed it to your brain rot. Hey Billy, give me a dome treat.
I like it. Bili na kayo sa Costco. 23 something. Hindi ko maalala exact amount. But something with 23. Sarap. Isang kilo na siya. Sarap. Bagay siya sa kusa. Pero siguro kahit sa anong tinapay. Masarap siya.